So, how to fix Instagram story views not working or not showing easily and fast. So, if you have any glitch with the story views on your Instagram, this video is gonna help you a lot. Or what you have to do is go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and then go to the apps again right here. Now scroll down until you find Instagram and click on it. After that, click on the force stop option, and now all what you have to do is just go down and click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache, go back, click force stop, and then go to the notifications management, disable the notifications and enable them again. Now all what you have to do is just reopen Instagram, and congratulations, the problem must be solved easily. See you later in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe.